Back on the Discovery again. I have recently just done the air conditioning, recharged it. If you didn't see it, I'll leave a link to the video at the top. And I said on there about the lack of blow through the vents. I have it on manual because on auto it doesn't seem to work properly. It doesn't seem to sort of blow too much, so you can hear the heater fan or the blower churning away nicely. You know, it sounds like it's working overtime when you turn it up manually, so that side of it works, but it doesn't seem to blow out the vents very well. You can have it on just the vents blowing towards you, just on these, by changing it down here, but it doesn't seem to increase the flow. So I've seen a few posts about changing the cabin filter, and I said in the video about doing the air conditioning that I bought a kit from Britpart, I think they called it the premium service kit, I think it was. So that included oil filter, air filter, fuel filter and cabin filter, and the cabin filter didn't fit. So I've seen a few posts about recommending changing that first. So I've got the kit out here, although it's sold by Britpart. It isn't actually Britpart made things, they're all OEM manufacturers. So we just need to change this. I've had a quick look at the location of the cabin filter, and it looks like it's fairly easy to do. So let's have a look at the steps. Sitting in the passenger side, we open the glove box. You will see down here you've got some little like levers. Right, there's probably the easiest way to see that. And you just push that down each side so the glove box falls down, and then you can see the blower motor. I wonder what they're for. And this little compartment here, you take that off, and lo and behold, there is your cabin filter. So looking at that, that is disgusting. And there's a sign here that says airflow, so it sucks the air in. It goes, also the motor, the fan, is sucking the air through the filter and then round the car. But you can already see that is grim. It doesn't really show up on the camera just how bad that is, but that is black. Look at the state of that. Yeah, this clearly hasn't been changed for a while, so hopefully that'll be the problem. You've got a colour difference between the old and the new, and from my understanding, if this was just white, it would just be a normal pollen filter, whereas this has got carbon paper in it as well, hence like the darkness to it, which has got a carbon film in it for pollution. So airflow arrow is there, so we'll put him back in the hole. I'm ready to do this one-handed, and you've got to push him up somehow. Cool. There we go. Not the easiest thing in the world. I presume that is now sitting correctly. There we go, look. So just assume that's the back. So the little flap that goes in, you can see it's got these little lugs here, which obviously hold the filter up. I've got a couple of locating feet in there, so they're now located in there. We can clip them in. Simple as that. So just got to flip the glove box up. So these clip bits that we released clip back into the holes. Job's a good one. Now as the test, put the new filter in. I'll start it up. So now, blowing out there, you can see I've got it fairly well up on the manual side, and that's blowing noticeably better. So massive result that is. It's well chuffed with that. Wish I'd changed the cabin filter at the end of December last year, and it's now June. So vast improvement all round by regassing the aircon in the previous video and now changing the cabin filter in this one. So result